Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to get the festival limited food recipes in Heartopia. So in this latest update, Heartopia has the new event, Dreamlight cinematic event, that at this event you can cook any limited food, and to cook it you need to the recipes first, and to get these recipes you can just go to the NPC Chef Massimo, just go find him like this, and then just talk to him like this, and then just go cooking store, and then in here you can see many festival limited food recipes that you can purchase, and it costs around 1000 until 1500, and then so just go purchase all the recipes, for example like this, and then just tap on learn, and then you can also purchase the other recipes in here. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.